Hello class, so for this video you're just going to see the Phet simulation about the greenhouse effects. Here what you can see is there's no clouds, there's nothing at all happening. The photons in the reaction here are, the sunlight photons are yellow and the infrared photons are depicted in being red. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to show what happens once we increase. And I'm going to put the thermometer in there. Let me reset it all. So here it is going, I'm going to slow it down a little bit so you can see the reaction. And I'm going to have today's atmosphere. So again, the sunlight is going down and the infrared photons are going up, and you can slowly see the temperature increasing on the thermometer with Fahrenheit. I'm going to increase or make it go faster, and you can see that the temperature is also changing and going a little bit faster. What we're going to do next is we're going to add clouds. So we're going to see if the addition of clouds, so I'll add one at first, does anything to the temperature. So keep your eye on the temperature change. We're at a stable 52, 53. So I'm going to add another cloud. This is at night when we have a lot of clouds. So what you can see is those clouds are making those red infrared photons go back down. So I'm going to add a couple more. I think 3 is my max, but I just want you to notice once we have clouds in the atmosphere there, what they're doing to the infrared photons is they cause them to bounce back to the earth, and you can see a slow but steady increase in the temperature. So before we were around the 40s, now we're consistently at around 54, 55, 56. The next one that I wanted to show you was the photon absorption. So this is the question that should be answered for that one. Again, here, for the most part, they're being deflected or passing right through. But once it starts shaking a little bit, that's showing you that there is some sort of absorption of the infrared photons. So the infrared photons, you can see them being absorbed there. Next, we have carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide as well is showing some absorption. A lot of them do go through, but you see when it's bouncing there like it is right now, there is absorption of those infrared photons. Here is water. Water has some absorption, but it's also just letting it go through or deflect. Nitrogen. Nitrogen, to this point, you will see that they go straight through. There is no absorption at all. And the same thing for oxygen gas. With oxygen gas, the infrared photons are going straight through. So oxygen gas goes straight through. Nitrogen gas is going straight through. There you can make your observation of what is happening to water with those infrared photons. Here we have carbon dioxide. You can also make your own observation there. And then methane, you can make your observation there. So this information should help you get to the correct answer for question 3 on your lesson today.